as we continue. Okay, these are some of the things I will be speaking on today. Alright, these are some of the things I will be speaking on. One is what? Introduction to Python. Okay, the next one is what is Python used for? What is Python used for? Then, is Python for everyone? Is Python actually for everyone? Okay, so let's talk more on this Python. Okay, Python, some people will say, is Python a snake? Is Python this? Is Python that? No, Python is actually what? A programming language. Python is a what? A programming language. Python is a programming language, and it actually came into existence. That was around 1991. Okay, Python came into existence around 1991. I'm speaking on what? Introduction to Python. I'm trying to introduce you guys to this Python language. I promise you the lecture is going to be brief. Alright? It's going to be brief. So, we said what? The birth and founder of what? Of Python. Okay? Python as a programming language. Before now, there were programming language that were already in existence. One of the programming language was the ABC language. The ABC language has already been in what? In existence. So this Python, let's just say is the older brother of what? The ABC language. Okay, so in 1991, there's a guy called Guido Baronson. Alright? This guy he was trying to fix some issue on the ABC programming language. Although he actually assisted in creating this ABC language. So this guy, what we tried to do, we wanted to advance these issues, to fix these issues. So on fixing the issues now, this guy was able to come up with this language, Python. And the name Python was actually coined from, let's say, this Baronson. What the guy was doing was actually watching, there's a BBC TV. Alright, you just like channels and there are different TV you can watch. Alright, so when this guy was actually seeing this TV, that the only that actually captured his mind is actually a regular program. Okay, but the name Python there, okay, from the topic, and I may not get the exact title of that movie, but I know how the name Python came into existence. Alright, so this guy was able to bring about the name Python. So that was how Python was vetted in what? 1991 by what? Guido, some people call him Guido Baronson. Okay, this guy created Python. To be sincere, if you look at the guy looked like Python. Alright? Okay, so let's continue. Alright? He said what? Python as a programming language is what? It's a general purpose language. It's a what? A general purpose language. What it means is that Python can be used for what? Anything once it comes to tech. Python can be used for what? Anything was is actually come to tech. Okay, some people will be like, oh, let's say I'm not a programmer. How will I be able to do things like this? And this Python being a general purpose, it means that you can use Python in different aspects. And this aspect, we shall be looking at them. Okay, we shall be looking at this aspect. Okay, so this aspect is also about to look at what is Python used for. What is Python used for? Okay, Python can be used for what? Or is used for what? Web development. Okay, Python is used for what? Web development. Python is used for what? Data science. Data science. Okay, Python, you can still see Python in what? In the aspect of what? Machine learning. Machine learning. Okay, yeah, I think when the last speaker was actually speaking, he was talking about AI. He said, no, don't worry, this is for another day. Today, I said, no, this one is my story for today. Okay, yeah, Python can be used for what? Artificial intelligence, popularly known as for short, AI, right? AI. So, you will agree with me. I think let's say around last year and this year, okay, you have been hearing about the word ChatGPT. Okay, I believe a lot of people have actually heard it, have seen this guy in action. This GPT, this ChatGPT is what is based on, it's a work of what and artificial intelligence. Okay, I think it's owned by OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI. There are some companies today, some firms that actually rely on this open AI. Let's say if you are let's say if you are let's say you are a blogger, okay? If you are a blogger, you should be familiar with what Quillbot, okay? Quillbot was just not it's just an advanced AI, but it's based on what natural processing language, all right? But today, Quillbot has what has actually integrated this GPT, okay? Quillbot has actually what integrated this GPT, and also Grammarly. We all know Grammarly, okay? And so this Grammarly as a software or as a firm has also what has also integrated this GPT. Okay, so the word is advanced, like I said. Python can be used in different aspects. Python can be used for what? Let's say automation and what? And prototyping. Okay, you can use Python in several aspects. All right. So you can see what is Python used for. I think I've spoken on this. So web application development, data analysis and machine learning, task automation and scripting, software testing and prototyping. Okay, let's talk about this software testing. Let's for instance now I've actually built a software. I will not be able to understand all the words. Let's say the features, like Genesis was saying, he was talking about maybe you build a website for somebody for short. Alright? But this website, you know, people, you now as a developer, in your mind, you have already built this thing. But you're not able to explain everything. Some aspects may not be working, but with software testing, you can actually do all those things without anybody being there, or maybe somebody is assisting you. But this task automation, when we talk about task automation now, let's say, for instance, this stuff, let's say, this is a flash drive, right? This is a flash. Let's say I want to take this guy from this place to this place. It's not only going to this place, I say, let me take this thing, okay? There will be lines of code that will do what? That will move this guy from this place down to this place. Okay, it's already in what? In existence. Okay? So let's take a look at what we have next. Alright. Then there's a question. Is Python for everyone? Is Python for everyone? Yeah, of course, Python is for everyone. Whether you are a beginner, okay, and let's say, will I say intermediate or an advanced developer, Python is for you. Python is for you. Alright? The reason why I said Python is for you, Python is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. Like people will say programming language, like my friend, Tech it's my brother as well. He told me something, he said, no, me they lie to una. He said, tell them no programming language is easy, it's hard. Yes, of course it's hard, but I think this was saying about determination. Okay, you want to determine that I want to know this thing. You want to determine that I want to learn this thing. Alright? So Python is for what? Is for everybody. Whether you are a beginner, I believe the first time I actually started working with code, okay, the first language I actually wrote was what? Actually worked with was Python. What did I do then? Just like a basic this thing. When you come to my software, let's say a console application. Once you come, I will ask you, hello, good morning, what is your name? Maybe you say, my name is Dobra. Okay, my name is Dobra. I say, Dobra, how can we help you today? I will just give you a list of options. Press 1 to do this, press 2 to do this. Alright, so the same thing applies to our mobile phone today. Let's say you are trying to contact your service provider. They will say, welcome to MTN network. Alright, press 1 for Yoruba, 2 for English, something like that. Alright, so something like that then. Alright, but Python is actually the language of tech. Okay? Okay, comment. I have something to show you. Let me check my screen for you. Okay, I think this is it. Alright, is Python for everyone? I said yes, Python is for anyone who wish to go into what? Data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, automation and scripting. Okay, there is a whole lot with what with this Python. Okay, so the last thing here is only the conclusion. But I want to talk to you guys that look at it. When you talk about Python, there are a lot of things that softwares or utilizing Python today. One is what? Spotify. I believe we all know Spotify. Spotify. Okay, another one is what? Google. Google, they use Python. We have YouTube. We have Quora. Alright? We have Reddit. We have Instagram, the popular Instagram social media you know about. They actually rely on what? On Python. And what? Dropbox. That's what I was talking about saving your files in what? In Google Drive. I think the second speaker. Alright? But Dropbox is also like what? This Google Drive, it's also based on what? Cloud computing. Alright? Netflix recommendation. If you are familiar with Netflix, once you go to your Netflix app, want to watch a movie, there will be suggestions, different recommendations. Alright? These things, the algorithm behind Netflix recommendation is what? Is based on what? This Python programming language. So if there's any question, please do not just sit back, try and ask. Alright? God bless you.
Alright, please let's clap for thank you. Okay, questions?
Okay.
One person here.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alicia. Please, can you tell me the difference between machine learning and AI?
Okay. I would have said they should clap for you, but the clap will just stay. Alright? Okay, yeah. Although, let's say sarcasm. Okay? Yes, there's kind of a huge difference between machine learning and what and artificial intelligence. Alright, but before I proceed, I will let's start on data analysis. Okay? So, when we talk about data analysis, it's you what? Gathering data. Gathering data. Alright, you are gathering the data. So now, once you have gathered this data, it's you now building let's say a model. Okay? Working with this model now, the machine will be learning things. Alright? So I will say the machine learning now, the major difference between this machine learning and AI is that the AI, let's say, is the practical work. After you have learned, the machine have started to understand the model you have built so far. Okay, that is just the major difference between the machine learning and the what? The AI. I bet that answers the question. Alright, God bless you. Any other thing? Okay, sir.
No problem, I'm not sure to
This and that.
give you updates.
Yes, sir.
Being a software developer,
Okay, sir.
you make use of this Python only for the business.
Okay, being a software developer, I would say once you come to building software, okay, you should use a suitable software for that project you are working on. Okay, like I'm saying now, I don't use Python for all my softwares. Okay, before Python, I actually use a particular programming language. Okay, so when I want to do the job, maybe very, very quick, okay, let's say it's a web project, I want to be fast, I might have to just use PHP. Okay, so but there are some other aspects I want to invite what? Brother Python. Alright? Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
There's one question.
Clap for CharlesTechy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the floor has been given to me. With a quick one here. Teacher, bring that as well. I'm going to notice change as I come inside. When I don't see any change, what do you see for the change? What do you notice? You say? You don't do like this for me. What's happening? They both with me every day. And you say what? I don't come back. Bros, if I pray for you, if I prophesy in your life, oh God. Oh boy, as I'm threatening them, say, village people go call and they give me t-shirt. So that they feel village people. Alright, it's a wonderful, I think a wonderful time. Even me, I'm enjoying. In fact, please let's clap for applause home. Please let's celebrate, let's celebrate. If you know you end boss without clapping, or what if you got to do that? Oh, sorry, I didn't confess. Sorry, if you know you ate something, I know it. Please, let's clap for applause up. Oh my God. All right. We have come to the end of the whole first section. But we are still having some few things. Please, don't go. Don't go. We are not yet done. It's time for photograph. And where are the cameramen? Where are they? Please, people should line up. First of all, let's call on the team. Applause Hall. Please, where are the resource persons of Applause Hall? Please let them come. Let them come on stage. Let them come on stage. Cameramen, where are you? All of them. All the resource persons. All the resource persons. Please, can you pull up this movie? All the resource persons. Please, let's come on stage. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The TV can be part of you. All right, please, let's come on stage. Let's come on stage. Let's come on stage. All the resource persons. If you're not planning photograph, then the photograph. Please, the cameraman, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay. Alright, all resource persons in the house. When I reach out when I bless, when I will be a black black shirt, no one person for this side. No one person for this side. Thank you. Please, let's. Immediately after this, the team Good of Africa with Applause Hall. Please come up. All team Good of Africa. Please let them come up. Let them come up. Let them come up. Don't leave them. Please let them come up. Let's do this. Immediately after this, all participants, immediately after the photograph with Good of Africa. Please, all participants. Please, let me pass, let me pass, let me pass, let me pass, let me pass. In case you don't know who is on the DJ stick, it is DJ Moody. Yes. If you want to play DJ Moody, you can call his phone number 09061211390. Or you can get him on 081 186 86 93 973. Alright. And on the mic is MC02. Alright, all participants, please, in the couple, all participants, everyone, please, let's come on stage. Let's come on stage. Everyone, let's come on stage. Hello. I am talking to everyone. Please, let's come on stage. Please, let's do this as quick as possible. Everyone, are we coming on stage? Everyone. Please come on stage, everyone. I'll take you to the house. I'll take us in the house. Come on, please come on stage.